There's a chick out, Avery.
Trying to bug out.
Yeah, but wait, it was flying around. It was getting in the window.
No, it's fine. Just let me roll your window if you want.
I can't believe we got the babies. So
No, there,
cute.
everyone else. Shit.
Did he go up?
Yep, shit.
Hi, baby. You're cute. Are your parents coming to feed you?